Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is product. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in product management and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Basically, friend, a product can be a service or an item or any physical thing or virtual thing. For example, a mobile is a product, the toothpaste is another product, the laptop is another product. So product is basically an item which offered for sale, and it can be any service or it can be an item which can be physical, virtual or cyber form. Physical means, for example, laptop is a physical form. Virtual means that the basically any service you, for example, you are taking a, for example, you are virtually you are purchasing, for example, you are purchasing the Zoom service for online meetings, for example. This is another type. Cyber form means, for example, you are purchasing the Bitcoin is another cyber form. So product can be physical, virtual or cyber. Basically it's a service or an item which you want to purchase, and you are offering for a sale. Every product has some price which you have to pay as per the market price, as per the quality, and every product has its own useful life. After some time, after some once its life over, so you have to replace it with any other product or any other replacement, or you have to reinvent or replace it. Product is basically needs to be relevant. Relevant means that it should have to be relevant with the user needs, user expectations, user requirement. Every product should be considered as a good product if it's fulfilling the user requirement. When also product needs to be communicated, means that the product users and potential user must know why they need to use it, like what are the advantages, what are the benefit they will get after using that product. For example, a product, sugar free product, so you must have to communicate that this product is sugar free. Sugar free means that obviously the persons who are having problems related to sugar, so that they can use that product, that because they know that it's a sugar free product. So advertising and marketing and brand building is also very important for a product whenever you are launching any new product. Then intended for customers, and so that means that differentiates product from project or anything else you may produce for your own use or employment enjoyment. For example, any product which you are like any gaming product, for example, game is another product. So people use games for enjoyment or for passing the time. Its product is always intended for customers, for any particular audience or any particular users they make. Created to provide benefits to a market, that means identify market need and meeting its challenging, but at the base level a product should provide some sort of advantages to users as well. For example, you know that in the market there is a need of a for example users that they need a taxi, for example, so they launch a product. For example, if Cream launched a product or Uber launched a product, so that they can sitting at home and book a taxi from home, and they will they can reach at their desired location. Exchange for value is another important aspect of a product, that the typical value exchange is money, meaning products have a price and can be bought and sold. In some cases products will be offered in exchange for feedback, exposure, trade or often form of value as well. There are different types of product. First one is the consumer product. Consumer product means that basically consumer product is a business to consumer or B2C products. B2C consumer products means that the product which we use for consumption of our use. For example, milk. Milk is a consumer product because we consume it. Similarly, toothpaste is another consumer product. Also, other types of consumer products like grocery items. For example, rice is another type of a product. The wheat is another type of a consumer product. So basically Consumer product means the user basically purchase it for their consumption, and after consumption the product will finish and they have to purchase some other product. So the type of consumer product is business to consumer or B2C. Now the another type is the business product. Business product means that it helps other companies create their own product or operate their business. So examples are like, for example, any particular raw material, equipment, supplies, business services, software. So all these are the types of business product. For example, internet connectivity is a business product because it provides a value through which you can connect to the internet. And for example, like companies who are, for example, in producing any produce using ATMs or mobile applications, so all they are based on the internet basically. So they are providing value in their business. So business software is also a major subcategory of B2B or business to business product. Examples are like, for example, customer relationship management, CRM, human resource management, and product development softwares. So software is another type of business product which provide value in business, and it's a type of B2B, business to business. Business to business means that I am also doing business, you are also doing business. So business to business, we can collaborate with each other, and I can collaborate with you, and I can add some value in your business, and you can add some value to my business as well. So it's called as B2B, business to business. Both parties are doing the business, and they are collaborating with each other so that they can get the benefits from each other. Software development is another type of B2B, business to business. Another type of product is industry product. Industry product or vertical marketing products serve broad basically business sectors such as, for example, energy sector, healthcare, financial services, information technology. So basically when we talk about industry product, basically we are talking about industry or large base. For example, some companies are making ventilators for hospital. Some companies are making for example any particular for example making beds for hospital. Some companies are making any particular software for industry, cyber security software. Some companies are making plastics through which they can make the household or grocery household products for consumption as well. So basically when we talk about industry product, we are basically talking about any particular domain or vertical. For example, some companies are making generators, some companies are making UPS, some companies are making the laptops and computers. So it's based on the industry at which you are focusing and the vertical which you have interest and expertise, and through which you can make the industry product as well. So it's also a very important aspect of the product. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.